breaks, well I bleed them. You take breaks, but I don't need them. I've got too much riding on my music, stretch to reach the ceiling. Working 12 to 8 until I'm great, that's the motto. I wasted time on women, but I stayed away from bottles. Spent half of my life chasing for love inside of models, but beauty on the outside can only lead to problems, yeah. God, I'm sorry, I've been caught up in myself. Haven't prayed in 2 months, Bible dusty on that shelf. I know that I need some help, but I tell myself I'm well. But I'm sick of being sick, and I'm tired of this health. I don't wanna live forever like I'm dying. Sometimes when I'm alone, I ask myself, why am I trying? This one's for the ones out there every night that's crying. This one's for the dreamers that had no one else behind them. If I don't make it out, tell me where to go. If I don't make it out, tell me where to go. If I've been missing something, something. Well, please don't let me go. 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 Yeah. I know I haven't been the things you want me to be, and you know I said a lot of things I really don't mean. You're always there waiting for me just to pick up the call, and I'm hardly making time to ever calling you off. And your hands are always out, but I'm acting like I don't need it. I'm stubborn and hard-headed, God trust me, I do see it. It's just, my heart is broken, I've been looking for the cure, but the only love I really should be looking for is yours. So take all my pain, let me give you my trust, cause if I don't have you now, then I'm nothing but lost. Look at the world we live in, tell me where does it stop? I'm trying to be something more than just serving tables and moms. Yeah, I sweep all these thoughts, I thought of you, I was bitter, but you gotta break me down so you can build me up bigger. So I appreciate it more, all the blessings and the trials. I'm a man inside this world and your eyes up in your child. But if I don't make it out, tell me where to go. If I don't make it out, tell me where to go. If I've been missing something, something. Well, please don't let me go. Please don't let me go. Please don't let me go. Please don't let me go.
People gonna come and try to knock you down, rather see you hurt laying on the ground. But when they try to tell you no, remember anything is possible.
I love this music, but still I question if it's real. Cause just 2 years ago I only wrote these songs so I could heal, but now I'm getting all these messages from people around the world. It's so crazy, there's a feeling that nobody else can steal. We in this together, I told you. It's more than just music, it's more than my views. It's more than those people who told me again and again that we never could do this. So go ahead and laugh now. Funny people coming back now, even though they backed me in the background. And I'm back rising with the facts now, and that's real. We came up with nothing, and we turned it to something. Talking about life, talking about love, not what the radio wantin'. So fuck what they play now. None of us are relating to Panda. Turn off the camera, that shit is musical cancer. I ain't got broads in Atlanta, I swear this is everything. Man, this music's all I got. I've been pouring out my soul, how can I not end up on top? See, these days I'm chasing dreams, when in the past I've given up. I got my faith, I got my fans, together we can make it on, so let's go. People gonna come and try to knock you down, rather see you hurt laying on the ground. But when they try and tell you no, remember anything is possible. Anything is possible. Remember anything is possible.
So when they try and tell you no,
remember anything is possible. Mom and dad are still nervous. See, they don't get what I'm doing, but they can't see the vision. They don't get the dream I'm pursuing. Just cause I ain't got money doesn't mean this isn't a movement. And I've been putting all my blood, sweat, and tears in this music. Feel like I'm always counted out, but I just don't care what people say. I know I'm putting in the work, hoping that pretty soon it pays. Hoping I'm giving someone purpose, cause that's what you all have done for me. I'm spilling my heart, rapping the truth, hope you know that'll never change. Hate being stuck working this 9 to 5. Some days I feel like I'm not alive till I get home and start writing lyrics. It's a different world, they'll never die. I think I finally found passion. I just don't do this for myself. I'm always writing for the people who really need the help. Cause I've been in those shoes, I know what pain can feel like. I've been lost and I've been down, barely sleeping at night. I used that pain to create dreams, I thought that couldn't be right. So on the real, if not for y'all, I probably wouldn't be alive. So let's go. People gonna come and try to knock you down, rather see you hurt laying on the ground. But when they try and tell you no, remember anything is possible. Anything is possible. Remember anything is possible.
So when they try and tell you no,
remember anything is possible. People gonna come and try to knock you down, rather see you hurt laying on the ground. But when they try and tell you no, remember anything is possible. Anything is possible. Remember anything is possible.
so when they try and tell you no,
Remember anything is possible.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.
La prossima volta non dovete fallire.
Energia in esaurimento, spegnimento.
Vincerò facile facile.